Hey guys, everyone, have a very good evening. BC Current Affairs is on 18th November 2021 from Nanmaya Education. Here we see 18th news on today. PM Modi launched Ration Aapke Gram scheme due to some network in MP. Regret me. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated series of tribal welfare program on his visit of Madhya Pradesh. PM Modi launched a welfare scheme named Ration Aapke Gram Scheme, Sickle Cell and Mission of Madhya Pradesh. He also laid the foundation stone of construction of 50 new Ekalavya model school. Ekalavya. All guys know about Ekalavya. Ekalavya is a student who has contributed his thumb finger to his guru as a Guru Dakshin. On the for the debut of Ekalavya, 50 new schools have been going to be started across the India. Modi referred to his long association with the tribal society. He was all praised for richness of their spiritual and cultural life and said that every cultural aspect of tribal, including songs and dances, carries a life lesson and they have so much to teach to the world. India government also decided to celebrate 15th November, that is on 15th November as Janjatya, Janjatya Gaurav Divas, Gaurav, Gaurav Divas or Tribal Gaurav, Tribal Gaurav Divas every year starting from 2021. So from this year onwards, our Indian government has decided to celebrate the Janjatya Gaurav Divas or Tribal Gaurav. So important points to take away from this news is on 2021, Modi has launched two programs in Madhya Pradesh. One is Ration Aapke Gram scheme and another one is Sickle Cell Mission, and also decided to celebrate Janjaitya Gaurav Divas from 2021. This is all for the tribal people. Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal and governor of Madhya Pradesh is Mangubai C. Patel. Mangubai C. Patel. Capital is Bhopal and CM of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. The very next news we see is Piyush Goyal launched India's first museum in Tamil Nadu. Union Minister Piyush Goyal virtually launched India's first digital food museum in Tanjavur, that is on Tamil Nadu. It is developed by FCI, that is Food Corporation of India, and Vishveshwaraja Industries and Technology Museum, Bengaluru. Museum will display the grains of India and explain the food culture in different parts of the world. This is the first museum, so it has to be noted. It is the first museum of food by FCI, Food Corporation of India. Food Corporation of India. Next news we see is World Philosophy Day. World Philosophy Day is celebrated on third Thursday of every November of each year. Philosophy Day is celebrated on third Thursday of November each year in 2021. This day falls on 18th November. So in this year we celebrate 18th November as Philosophy Day because of the third Thursday. Because it is third Thursday in 2021 and opens to the discussion of different interaction of human beings with the social, cultural, geographical, political environment with the underlying objective of better understanding of contribution of philosophy in contemporary society in pandemic situation. So philosophy means What is philosophy? We literally hate guys who are speaking philosophy, but we need philosophy because we need to talk face to face in our society. We are facing several situations in our day-to-day life. So on behalf of that, 18th November, that is third Thursday of November of every year, each and every year, we celebrate Philosophy Day. The next news we see is Tamil film Kulangal selected to the screened IFFI. Already Tamil film Kulangal has won an award. We have also dropped in our older news. Tamil film Kulangal will be screened at the Indian Panorama segment in the 52 International Film Festival Award in Goa. Kulangal is also an Indian official entry of Academy Award for Oscars. So it has also won the Oscar. It is a story about the relationship between an alcoholic, abusive husband and his wife. The story is from viewpoint of their children. 52nd International Film Festival of India will be organized from November 20 till November 28. So this program is till November 20 till 28 on 2021. So program is 52nd International Film Festival. The next news we see is Arunachal Pradesh adopted Paki Declaration on Climate Change. The government of Arunachal Pradesh approved the Paki Tiger Reserve of 2047 declarations on climate change, resilient and responsive Arunachal Pradesh, which aims to promote a climate resilient development in the state. This announcement is the first of its kind by any state government in the country. Points to be remembered is Andhra Pradesh capital is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh capital is Itanagar and CM is Mr. Pemikandu and governor is Mr. D. Mishra. The Paki Declaration focuses on the multi-sectoral approach of low emission of climate resilient development based on 5 broad themes of Panchadharas.